he already start accusing you. If you are cheating on me, you are doing this. Doesn't know that there are some business that need to be, as how will I say, need to be discussed in privacy. The man might demand for a room where people discuss the business and close the deal. But due to you're married, you say no. If you should stay outside for people to see so they'll know that nothing is going on.
Okay.
But another reason that when she got divorced, maybe she wants to be like a model, many things, actress, all those kind of things. It's not
Okay.
like I'm supporting divorcee or for women to divorce.
Okay, but we are now talking about why
Yeah.
they become successful and
Okay.
why you think this success is coming as a result of being divorced.
Majority of women, their clients are men.
Okay.
Just like the way people have the idea that when you're married, you don't have to keep a male
Friend.
bestie or friend.
Yeah. Because
So
it's not right.
why is it not going to right? But you guys are keeping female friends.
Yeah, because men are more into business, right? And women always likes to be free around men. They want somebody they can be free with.
Yeah.
So that's why they come to us. So it's kind of advisable that male keep women friends like more than their women counterpart having besties in male, because you cannot trust a man.
Okay.
So anything can happen.
You're right in that aspect because how would I say it? I'll use somebody for instance. The person is selling clothes. The man just wants to come and buy, sit and discuss with you. Just see that somebody can have interaction and all that. But due to the person I've seen that you're married, I'll be like, no, let me just buy my thing and go.
And they would not want to come back
They will
again.
not come back. You will see that your custom. And when the lady started bringing her children to the shop, the sales dropped.
Yeah.
It dropped by 80%. You see your customer. You say hi, how you doing? Fine. People just greet. You see your customer walking to another person's shop. The same thing you are selling. And you will not have the courage to say, but I'm selling this, I'm doing this. Rather, if you talk, they'll say, have you heard the parable that goes, monkey they walk, babu they shop?
Yeah. But it goes either way.
Or
Even men.
they will not want to do this thing. They will not want to stay with you.
Okay, please, can you help me?
It's not about it.
It's about that, please.
Sorry.
Sorry, just a moment. Okay, so now the bone of contention here. Women become successful when they are divorced. So we're now trying to pick out why that thing happens. A woman, when she's married, when she's still with the husband, there's a limit to where she goes. And once she becomes divorced, then she now becomes successful. So now, is it going to be because men can now feel free to come to them and do business with them? Or is it just that the husband was the one overshadowing her, making her not to, showcase what she has? And for me, I believe that sometimes it happens that way. Because me, myself, the very moment I got married, I began to notice decline in my followership, especially the women. Women stopped coming, and then I thought it was me alone. One day, another top comedian got married. He had to come out and say, look at what is happening. All my followers are running away, and that is mainly women. So now we know that men likes buying from women, and women likes patronizing men. That is how it is. If you put up a business, same kind of business with a woman, and then you are in one shop and she's in the other one, I tell you that after a year, you will see that she made more sales than you, because more men are coming to her. And women will not be coming to you much like that, Because even when they come, they won't feel free. A man can feel free with a married woman easier than a woman, than the other way around anyway. So now, she now says that when women or when your customers comes to you, once they discover that you are still married, they will run away. They will not come back again to buy from you. So that you notice a decline in your sales, and it's happening. We know that quite all right. It happens. But one thing I will not accept is that they become more successful. You know, because we are looking at those ones who are doing well, but we are not seeing those ones who are failures. Because I can tell you for free that so many women today, so many women are frustrated once they're out of marriage. But we're only seeing those ones who are doing well. Now we are going to use somebody as an example. All right? We see a top actor. Once the wife divorced him, though not fully divorced, so we are always seeing her, being endorsed
She
here
has become
and there.
successful now.
She has become successful.
Yeah.
And this recent one again, Regina. Regina is divorced now.
Yeah.
And then she's out of the country.
Yes, living her life the way she wants.
So tomorrow night she becomes successful.
Definitely she is before getting married.
Is it not
No,
obvious?
she has increased.
Is it not obvious that some of them are just waiting for an opportunity so that they will go and test?
No.
So,
you're wrong.
but women wants to test those things.
No.
They feel cheated. They feel that maybe.
No. There are women that they have self-esteem. No matter what you do, you can't shake them. They believe that you see what this person do, I could get there. Rather, it's a matter of time. There are some people that you'll be talking nonsense. They'll be like, okay, business first before pleasure. Once you close the business with them, you're talking nonsense.
For some, very few, 1 in a million. But most women are willing to open their legs just to get that thing, to prove a point to their husband that, you see, since I divorced you, things is working for me.
But it's the same men that is approaching them for that. People cannot.
Of course, you
don't want to make a business straight. You want to add something.
That is why they are coming to a woman. They see a man, they are selling the same thing. They didn't go to him. They came because they have this thing. That is what they want. And so many women are willing to give it to them, to retain them, because they don't want to lose them.
It's not so many. You will say few.
No, many. Too many.
Few.
Majority of the divorced women, once they become successful, go and check it. There are men behind that. That is why even some women, once their husband dies, all right, once the husband dies, you see those friends of the husband, they will start coming, giving her 1 or 2 because they wanted something from that woman.
God bless you for saying this. Now I remember something. You're talking about once the husband died. Do you know that men are also betrayers? There is a woman, I was at my shop. If wine to proba, wine couldn't wine see out. Mananya Zago. Why? She's crying. Not because she's crying that she lost her husband, but she's crying that her husband betrayed her out of 16 good years of marriage. If she invests on herself with 16 good years of that, I will not say it's wasted because the children is a good product.
Okay.
That's 16 years. She will know where she is by now. But the man was married to her. First year, it didn't occur to you. Second year, third year, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. It didn't occur to you for you to go and change your nest of king. You've already given your the woman first child is a son. Okay, change it to your son. When he got to 18 now, how days he did, then you can take over it. But no, he left it in his brother name. And the man Diego is not like anyhow.
Okay.
For you to see the kind of amount of money that is there, he died after 2 weeks. His family member came from the village. Man, 1 year, one grodi. All the sister-in-laws, more they calm down. And the same husband who marry, other people marry. They came from village just to come and torment the woman. start shouting, bring our brother's property out, bring this, that, bring that. You should not imagine the amount in the account for them to behave that kind of thing.
Okay, now, after doing all that, you know that woman automatically will turn to the husband's friends now to help her out.
She said that she went there. They were talking nonsense. There was even one, she said, I wrote 10 million naira check, a main signature, whatever, the way she said it, just to do it once. That the money you have, but she refused. If you go to wine is she's like a shadow of herself. For her to see a total stranger just because I was staring at her, that is why she has to open up to me to tell me this kind of thing. One I want me herself. Because he's very in able 16 years. A child of 16 years now don't know something.
Of course, ma'am.
Something she was saying, her son was like saying, Mommy, it's okay. You don't need to be crying. Daddy doesn't want your tears. Your own father. He doesn't want your tears. Because they throw the woman out. Like, up there when you Calabar person go fight you.
So, okay, now they throw her out.
They throw her out. She said she only left with Lesus 350.
Because she knows submit, Abby.
That she, the 4 brothers and 2 sisters came. Saying she should bring the property of their brother, their late brother.
Because their brother didn't write that.
Okay, now, she wants to do faithful wife. She don't want to call the estate security on them. Automatically, they throw her out of the house without giving her a dime.
That's too bad. It's a pity.
So after like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, now men they take back beds. She came again. I saw her. She said, "Oh, how fine?" I said, "Fine." And I tell her, "Mom, please, the way I'm seeing yourself, your story is scaring me." She said, "There's nothing to be scared about. Just trust yourself and trust. She said, kind of trust your partner." But she was too blind to see what was going on. She said, right now, it is her father and her mother, people that are supposed to be retired, eating the fruit of their labor, and not the one training her and her children. Because why? She just rely on her husband's source of income. It's like she doesn't have her own, or maybe her own is not sufficient enough for her.
So now this family did this thing. I can tell you for free that why they did it was because maybe she doesn't want to submit to one of the husbands. You understand? Maybe the husband brother wanted to. This thing happens in so many places. Once one has,
you're right.
She stands the chance of losing everything to the husband brothers. So if I need a game of interest.
Okay, now after like 3 months, I saw her. Ifuzea, very beautiful woman. She has regained herself. Okay. Just like to a Savage that sang song, they say if you follow politician, they go call her on that thing. Nobody knows how she got the money that make her to be fit now. Something her son, her son was like, "Mommy, I'm not sure that I can go to university," because the boy is 16. He has come out of secondary school. He said that, "Mommy, I'm not sure that I can go to university anymore. Come, let's just go. Daddy doesn't want your tears. You've cried enough. Man, if you go Anya Zrazaka pop off. So it's what some people will be like, sit and watch the footstep of their partner. Will be like, there are many things I personally need to achieve. Just because I'm married, I bury it under yours. And I believe that if I'm alone, that I will achieve it too. But I buried it under yours.
So now, do you know that so many guys today are not married because they feel they are not buoyant enough to take care of themselves, talk more of getting a wife? Do you understand? So I've always said that should not bother you, because that lady in question, ever before she met you, she had something doing. Most people, all right? So even if she didn't meet you, she can still be surviving. After she's been surviving before now. Yes. So the only thing is give her a free hand and see how she tries. But most men are so insecure. They will not allow their women to go out there because of the wolves around. And you know, once a woman is out there alone, she's vulnerable. Men can attack.
I think I told you the one that happened now. So I don't want to call names, but he's under politician man. He came, he saw me, hey, fine girl, how are you? He used because of me and buy clothes. He bought the clothes for his wife. Oh. Like take care of his wife and this, and he also take care of his side chick also. That is why there's no problem in the house. I said no problem.
He takes care of the wife and the side chick. Wow.
He bought clothes, finish and go. He collect my number, say he wants to make me his vendor. The man now start calling me at night every time, 9, 10, 11. That time the man used to call me. So he came after to come and buy there by the shop there. He was saying, if I'm calling you, you don't used to answer. As he's saying, if I'm calling you, you don't used to answer. My child has said, Mommy, the man they knew this. He said, wait, are you married? I said, yes, I'm married with 4 kids. He said, with 4 kids. I said, yes. Oh, I said, this is a red flag. Oh, Pari. He didn't say anything else. But my sister went to the shop. The man saw my sister and started coming back to clothes. Anytime he come plaza, he must buy. Even though it's hanky or face cap. He now make it a routine. Face cap, black face cap, black.
So now
people should take it easy.
You see why some women don't want to tell people that they are married?
Yes.
Okay.
Because it affects their business.
It affects their business. Okay. So now we can hear when a woman is not doing well, a man she's avoiding a man.
Yeah.
All right. She's avoiding men.
Like.
But once everything is working fine, do you get? So now we are looking at what those men has in mind. You see the one that ran away. He was running away because he won't be free. He can't touch you as he wants, and he can't even. Nothing will ever come out of it. So he will stop coming. But now some women, once they want you to continue coming, they will just yield to your beckons and just open up. If you want to chop, then chop. So many women are still eating even when they are still married.
No.
Huh?
Yes, if it's in the aspect of eating, why married? Let me use this and beg you. I'm not begging you for you. The repercussion, even though you don't like your husband, because men self are not even trustworthy. There are some things that your partner will do. It will look like as if she carry a code and break the man's head. But please, if it's in that one that you are married, but that one you are married, still be doing pium outside.
Men are not doing that thing that looks like men are doing pium.
No, you talked about women.
In the real sense of it, men are not actually doing that pium.
You talked about women. There is something my mommy told me 2 weeks before Nod. That inwardly, now one baba nilu ori sidigi ori somoge. I don't know if it's the same pain that I go through when I'm in labor that women go through. That you will do that and finish, still use the same hand and cook for your children. It's very bad, especially when you have a male child or danger. It is very bad. Leave what the men are doing. Leave them. After they'll still suffer. Leave them. Let them be doing that pium. Our prayer is that God, please bring them back. If you cannot bring them back, the day they will have infection, let you be the worst enemy of them.
For that, we cannot support that. Yeah?
But like, yes, after a woman got divorced, she will leave that area and go to another place and start a new life where nobody knows her. Life will be going smoothly for her. If she's doing business, the business will be going easily. She doesn't need to engage in anything. Appearance alone will bring customers. A man that wants to buy because of your appearance will buy. Sorry.
All right. When some men wants to buy from women, one thing I know for sure, when men goes to buy from women, they are looking for something actually, and little things moves men. Like when you look at women in these recent years, let me use from 2010 to date, like 15, 16 years ago, their mode of dressing had changed. Women now wears more sexy clothes now. And some people, if you watch on TikTok or Facebook, any social media, you see women are more like, they are more conscious of their body, their curves and all that. That's why a woman will go and spend up to 7 million, 8 million to have a big ass, and all that. So you spend such amount of money just to come on TikTok and show off your asset. So now all those things keeps attracting men, and she won't advertise on the onset that, see, I'm off the market. They will not advertise themselves and say we are off the market. You will never hear that. So now men will come hoping that one day the gates will be open for him. He can't just be roaming around Israel without getting into Jerusalem. You see, very, very important. Very, very important. So men are really doing that, and it makes those women to, and the more they buy from you, the more you are getting used to them. Let's say you keep making like 10 million naira sales every week, and there are regular customers that week in, week out, they buy from you. Maybe sometimes they buy up to 1 million from you. So these are regular ones that you are sure of. And when they begin to make advances that will lead to sleeping with you, you might be like, no, stop. From the onset, it gets to a point where things will begin to change. Maybe he will ask you out. Let's just go for dinner. Let's go for supper, lunch. And it becomes innocent from the onset. Then along the line now, things will start changing. He will start touching you because he's now getting, more comfortable being around you. And you are beginning to see another good side of him, like a man who is very, very caring. So by and by, the next thing, he will start to retire you. Because what matters is the registered. Registration is that first one, agent. After that, you are free now to come at any time you want. So now, when you are done with her, you give her money. You keep giving her money because of what you want. Before you know it, she's doing well. And another woman on the side will look at her and say, see, it's like this, my marriage. I'm in hell, oh, I'm caged. Look at this one who just came out of marriage. And that's when they begin to see their own like it's an abusive marriage. Anytime Diagwalioku is abusive, anytime on our choice point, and the very moment to see about she begin to give herself freely to men. Where is the checkmate here? Or not under the father or the parents now, not even the husband anymore. Or maybe just because always a freedom. Feel owner or another person affair. That's when you see them begin to dress horribly. Ị ga-afụ nwaanyị ike ịgba mkpụrụ, ebe ị na-adị mkpụrụ cholesterol, ike gbakwa mkpụrụ, nwaanyị akakwa obi, yirikwa akwa nwa agbọghọbịa ga-eyi, gbawakwa ya agbawa. Ị na-ajụ, what can even dey far? What is this? Ọ chọrọ men at all cost. And these are men. But as I say, that some of them or most of them na dig ka from myself. And most of these girls enwere a good orientation from their father's house. Some of them, their fathers nwunoge or bụ single mother raise in a volatile society. So many things na gone on now. And those girls under 15, if we get 20 years, they are fully mature adult. 20 years. And 20 years I know 2006. 2006 in Nyabugo 20 years. So a girl I'm 2006. Papi anwo about 2010 or the 4 years. Kita the girl is 20 years. Onodi okwa character because onwere onye zuliano. That thing is not there. So everything on ya na acho way. Ki adekuro onwe ya free. Because papi ano go the onwere father figure in her life while growing up. Even Ogono, before Noah, some of them, those men who they follow their mom. Sorry. So most men, those guys Nabia. Sorry, attend to him. So those girls now, their mom also now where's one? Watch them. Ị ga-afụ na those men na-achọta their mom. Those men na-achọta their mom na-akpasi those girls aka, na-emeke advances, na-enyefe ego, gift dị iche iche, na-etake fa out. So ifu that na fa na-ata mama na-atakwa nwa, fa na-ata mama na-atakwa nwa, otu ha na-ata ma ọmị ya na-atakwu ya nwa. Unu fụzi this very ka ife a na-akpọ ya, o nwere this site ụmụ nwaanyị na-eje abọ ike, a na-akwụfe ụgwọ. I saw a video, I was moved, I was marveled, like it was a horrible one for a mother ịkpọpụta nwa ya nwaanyị na-apị ya aka n'ala, just gbanye kamera na-awọch, ọ na-apị ya aka n'ala, pịsịa nwa ya aka n'ala, mabi ya aka n'ike, just ka ewe kwụọ ọfụ ụgwọ anwa. Now this woman was this girl like this, this girl no the whatever comes her way, bụ ebe a na-achọ ka apakeji ya ka agwa ya okwu, the girl a na-akọwalụgo that na ị na-emegide ya emegide, nwebele oge ọkpọ maọmị ya, maọmị ife ọbụla mere, maọmị ife ọbụla mere, maọmị the next thing maọmị ya ịfụzi life maọmị ya nwe, she will start advising her child, what are you still doing there? Come out, don't mind him, he's a very stupid man, I don't even know why I gave it to him. Then the wife apụta, the girl apụta, ọ pụtakwazie again, maybe after having 2 children, maybe only 2 kids already. If you could see na that lady agbapụta, you got to go, ọgbapụta, on a dress like this, in a dress like this, na-eme expect first ọbụzia vendor, ọbụzia nke abụlụ nke a, gịnị ka ọ na-ele perfumes, ọ na-ele singlet, ọ na-ele boxers, in fact ọ ga na-ele those things that will attract men, body spray, perfumes, ife ọbụla gbasara ụmụ nwoke ya ka ọ ga na-ele. Ife ọzọzi ọ chọzie hair, tizie na ọ na-ele hair. Oh yeah, just attend to him, okay? Just attend to him. Okay, what do you want? You want me? Okay. So now ọ na-emekwa the same thing ga attract men. You see that? Ọ chọrọ ife ga attract men ka ọ wee nachigatakwa echi ọ bụzi na ọ na-eme ọfụma. Any of them nwelu opportunity na nwoke ga-ebunyefa even spider, nwoke kwe nkwa na ọ ga-ebunye ya spider ka ya na-emekọba ife with all her heart to prove a point that when she was with this man, no cage, nothing was happening. Even ọ ga-adịdị moved ije n'ụlọ ụka ganye testimony ya apụtago ya abụrụgo a free person today, no aba n'aka ajọ mmụọ ewe cage enya this that, na today she can boast of a video na, mana ọ ga-ekwu the source of ife anwa. So na afọ na adịka for the most is the successful after kafa believer, their success ada abịa in a genuine way, most of them. Ọ bụrụ na ịpụta si ka prove a point, it takes years to build a business ga-eme gị amakwa gị na agụ ada agụ gị. It takes years to build it. Mana efukwa ndị apụtala ozugbo na from their husband house, before you know it ogo na moto, before you go you know it asị n'ogo n'ụlọ. Nne m apịa ọ bụrụ society anyị nọ n'ime ya Nigeria, nothing is working here for anybody. All of a sudden a lady put na baby video business nyadi go successful under the space of 3 years. Oga ife balia ife abụ ife is a lie. Ife balia akpụnyere ya nnu. Gịnị ka ọ na-emezi ife a?
If you have what people want, they will be coming for it.
What is it that people want other people don't have?
Like how?
And they are not successful. How many people are successful? Who has that thing already? What is it you have?
For instance, you might have this, selling it for 1,000 naira, but I'm selling it 800 naira.
Why are you selling it 800? You're selling it up because you want to drag people to your side.
It depends on how much you buy. Yeah.
So she alone knows where to go and get it.
Because she doesn't want it to stay in her hand.
So the profit is that much. 800, 1,000, 200, which means no any 1,000 then go up to 500 naira again. That's why when I get put to get 800, they quite comfortable. So yeah, then we go up to 30%, 35%.
Let me not tell you something. A man might buy something now. The thing might worth 65,000 naira. But the man will be like, I'll give you 60. Man to man. You know, saying one na biko tinye ego na something like that. And I say na ibuko mtone nutona na chakwa the 5K no di. You know they be saying no di.
Yeah.
But as a woman,
he didn't dey, but he didn't dey.
But as a woman, she'll be like, sir, please, you know that the way things are, it's not fair. With her sweet tone and soft voice, definitely you won't be forced to bring more than the 5K out.
Okay. Emotion. Or if I had
you know, you cannot use harsh voice like the one that people have been. If it's not bad, and what the hell?
That softness, we felt they were couple trap in that man. And that man at that trap, okay, you got to go prove on your man. Upon get trap with a soft voice. Yeah. Or darling, oh yeah, that day, it's no mugu. 5,000 you get manega boy. Nothing goes for nothing when it comes to men. I dey tell you.
Okay, let me use for an instance now. You'll be eating a man. You've seen that you on your own, you will think definitely, oh yeah, Meg, hey, I've eaten this man too much, but so yeah, spam over and get can then. Oruzem bosian, oh yeah, see now, come and see me so hotel. If I don't know that you've eaten the man enough, the honor good is none of your business. You shout for him. Just because we're friends doesn't mean that you want to take advantage of him. The man are getting with her. Nka abukan, obukan kending kan, obukan kendo kop na kending kan. Baku ni on.
So when came back to again give up easily.
You guys know.
Oh, we vote you go there.
What will you do? There is no law that bind that you give a woman something, you collect it back.
But that be collect.
Have you not seen it when you want to go and let it from a woman? Shamelessly, you want to say, did I force you? Where is the proof that you gave me all this?
There is no point exchanging words with her. What you need to do is now to go back, do your homework, like give her more.
Give her more?
Yeah, now.
I'll collect it with open-minded because I didn't force you to give me. When you still bring that topic out, I'll still push you out.
I forget. I will push you and I'll see her.
Okay, now, in the aspect of, it has happened to me. A man came like, please, I'm not come size him of boxers.
We are saying, yeah, I got you a video.
You should give me my size. I was like, me, I foolishly was even looking at the man, at his waist. When I said, sir, the way your waist is, you'll be wearing like 4X or 5X.
Okay.
The man said, okay, nice, no words here.
Okay.
But he wants to change. And I have to, guy, you Ijikwanya. I not saying this because that's a me like the next thing was like I gave him the space or just changing. And I said more beyond I said, sir, please, with all due respect, I told you that I'm off the hook. But I didn't explain to you whether I'm married or I have a boyfriend. He said, okay, sorry, I respect your privacy. But don't so bad there. All them bosses. He bought the boxers. He still came another day. But the day he ran off was when he saw me and my kids in the shop.
Imagine you never saw your kids.
But man, people should calm down.
Now you see what I tell you. Calm down for waiting now.
My soul just dropped instantly. I was like saying, whether I'm my problem, whether I'm the problem of the
in this our world.
Sometimes I'm a okay, yeah, bro. One in your shop. Buriye. Another woman come. The guy was like, say, hello, do I know you? As in, do I know him? I said, no, I don't know you, sir. And me, I know you. Because you've been carrying many girls and become. He now make me a trustee that any girl when you carry come, he will bring the girl to the shop. Because basically, time, what I want is your money. Why will I have to go and be telling you that, say, leave this guy? If you leave the guy, will I follow him? No. The guy said he's still single, you are single. So he's still kind of selecting to know if he will settle down with you.
But so I can still tell you that as you see that guy coming with different ladies, there will be a certain lady somewhere, even though she's married, that will be jealous of those girls. because she herself wanted that guy to be spending the money on her. So there are so many loose women around. You hardly find that
so
one.
Many,
there are too many. They are very loose.
There are few. Just like men. Men, you should be kilo day just because people say polygamous relationship. It's a lie.
No, we lost it from Garden of Eden.
You don't know what happened.
Nigeria, we lost.
Okay, now when I say we spoil this word, is it people that carry the evidence? We didn't spoil any word. Which proof? What is this? Una chop the apple finish, carry am. Is it people that went down, plug it and eat?
We no carry am. When we want swallow and I got the job. And I wait till carry for what? And I go hide down. You think no green go down again? He dey there before you go call even vex. They cuss am. And the whole cause made the thing hang. So let me say we carry evidence.
People one is that people must suffer to get it.
Sometimes
just like that
make us dey spend the money.
Just like in successful now. You might be looking for work. You graduate and a graduate. You might be first class. Then me, I'm just a normal class person that graduates. You will apply for this work. The man will be like, everything is perfect. We'll get back to you. But once I bring my summit, he will not even look at the way he looked at your own. You are hired for the work. Oh, Pari.
Yes. There's a reason why he hired you. So that you'll be able to attract more customers.
You see, as I said, that you people are successful. Yes. And we'll close the deal. A man to a man. Wait till nah, because corona here. Because it's a lie.
Go. Hello,
sir. It's not eating business with you. Welcome to so and so place. Is here you see your comfort and everything is entrusted to you.
Before you see that deal, a man is still there.
Which man?
The MD now.
Yeah.
The MD of the company must be a man.
Even though you go for marketing, people that are going for marketing, women get attention than men.
Yes, now.
You should see why they are successful.
Yeah, okay, you see, we are coming to the same point now.
The way I will use and do my adverts. Hey, now friends, let me see, if you buy this land, it will be very nice. Land is a property that you just buy it and keep. Later on, you sell it in millions of naira or billions. Or definitely leave it for your children. Hey, my daddy left this land for me. I'm proud of him. No be so carry papa will not use their own. One way that we never got every day. Chibuzo, your daddy fall inside go bring barrel me. What I say? My daddy has this land in this place. But if
know why I'm going to why? You didn't know that you can have. You don't know why I'm
okay. I'll ask now. Okay, we head of the family. We are following people in the footsteps. If we are the leader, then no, we don't want to be the head.
We don't give her a head, nah.
Okay, you don't
because
want to
anything a man can do,
a woman can do it better.
Okay, better.
Yes.
Yes.
Which you
if for business, I know,
in winner
shop, more successful.
Winner shop, your sales and my sales is not the same thing.
When it comes to women, I sell too.
Both women and men.
We are selling men.
Just like women. For instance, it's not only man that can be a client to a woman. A lady will come, hey babe, how did this guy be? She, girl, you are looking it. Clock it. If you go for it, your guy will be tripping. You're looking so sexy. But okay, I said, nah. I think one man at her. Turn to go the name 360. Your voice alone will be like the girl will be like option because some okay man.
My voice saying move.
Move.
Hey, you move a masculine voice.
Sorry to say it though.
Man,
you know, voice no dey move. The way you people put it now. It's just the stature.
360.
The stature.
That's
why people are dragging yourself to the gym. Just like the way people say we're doing BBL and all that.
You know what I mean? Nigeria gym book as the head of the family. Can we also have more ways who are not be because of I will look.
Somebody said, na lie, me they sell past women in clothing business. Nah. I won't say it's a lie, but in that your business, have you ever hired a sales girl? Why will you see sales girl wanted in many shops?
Yeah.
They don't put sales boy. Rather, the boys that are the sales boy are them that is going to be jacking the load.
Yeah, women are just there to advertise products.
They are the one making sales. You guys should
Yeah.
accept it. They are the one making you people that are the boss successful. Run a company now full of man and run a company full of women. You should see the people that bring sales.
From work here with a sense of man. I know what skill. You know what the
Really?
skill. You know what the skill. If you know about that ability to convince with your body, with your voice, it's just like in the movies. Eh? If I had a display, just they move can ego. So what can they work
Okay, I'll
that
whip the
money?
ray gown, but it did not take anything from her.
If
If you've seen in some movies, say, sir, please, just because you're giving me money, you have no right to touch me, sir. You confront the
figure
man.
no na ama m efe ịchọ ọga ego a na-ego ka o n'idi nwaanyị ọbụla na-asụ
Inyekwa ya ọzọ nara gị.
a ga na-enye ego
Ọ na-anarakwa gị.
mana ọ ga-ewepụta ya o nwere nke ọ ga-eguzo oche okwu onye.
The only way if you show her, if, because some men never appear, if she's calm of many things she has nobody to run to. It will be you.
Ọbịazie mgbe ahụ si ya na ọ eweta ya efugi ya ego gasị
And
ọrụ
at the end of the thing, she will find out that it's even you that do have the plan for her to fall into your trap. Because men, if you can go extra mile to get what you want.
yes ya ka nna agwa we must get it. That's why ga-eji wee na-enye gị ego. Continue giving you money and eweta ya. So that their success afọ ya ka
because no magic. It's a good success.
Abụrụ a good success.
It's a good success.
Ife nji agwa gị abụ ife ọbụla butere ego ife ọbụla butere ego ịgbakọ onye ọfụma ị ga-afụ na-enwe many kọna ife na-enwere isi ma ife na-adịrọ mma eji wee mee anya because pay for money that's the love of money bụ the root of all evil. Ife ọbụla ga-ebute ego can never come like that. Ego a achọ ịbịa in a genuine way onwere ife ime the money ga na-abịa small.
Sorry to cut you. I remember something. Say love of money is the root of all evil.
Yeah, no.
As a poor man, and they hit you fry pan your head or tray pan. Nisi makani wetego ni. Leave all these things though. Leave all this. It's better if you have the money. Let the evil be coming. Leave all these things. If you don't have the money, that's why your wife will disrespect you.
No, but for women, you see, for them to be successful again, that evil they must touch her, which is you see, a woman. Make I tell you, this is always a man what they do, and I say, if man can do it, a woman can do it too. Like some women will be like, my husband cheated, that is why I cheated back. Now there was a huge difference between a man and a woman. How about if I say a man the polygamous in nature or what? I don't work in a room, bro.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, what? One, boya na oduka, ozo na akpụ nwa. Okay, what? So area the sacred more than nke nwoke.
Very well.
So why am I asking aga bioto because of
it's not a good reason that your husband cheats that you want to cheat also.
So Oje
it's just that your eyes is outside already. Anya get the nilo already. I will not support that one.
All of them.
Anya get the nilo already. Just because, for instance now, say we can't go separate way. What do you want to go as in you want to see in that man that you have not seen before in your husband? They are still the same character. Nothing is different. Forget that thing. It's not something you do finish. Your system will start reacting. As you say, they carry from upstairs, throw downstairs. I forgot never.
Like really?
Or they forget kidney. The web think at it. Which kind what? Sometimes
and I do now what they will need harder.
Sometimes I'll be like, they are trying, to be honest. They are really trying. And now 100K. Because yes, now kunilo.
100K.
And now 100K. They are really trying. Because it's not easy.
Yeah, where else they bro?
You still take medicine on it too.
Medicine again.
Unless they can endure the pain, makafori.
Oh my. Pain. They can do when anything pain never know. Even never neighbor.
They will take pain in that thing.
Why any pain?
No, it's because of the harder. Women that are doing BBL and all these things. It's because of the harder. It will be shooting out because your intestine no yourself na bone it is. Everything is getting scattered. Imeshakwa nwoke ya just tọgburu ebe alahụ ụla because it's easy for them to sleep. Mana ngwa ihe amụgide anya otu your system na organize itself and sleep.
Nke gị ka mma. As nwaanyị system ya agasa ọ ga-amụ anya until the system settle back. Ọ ma ihe na-eme ya. Mana nwoke ahụ efu lara ụla is like a dead man. Ya kpatara na ụfọdụ adịghị etete nwa ụla ya enu na anwụgo asị na ọ tachala onye a nwụọ. Nwoke ọbụla na-arịgo ebe a amalụgo na two things dị involved. So nwa nwoke na-eji anya dị mma anakwu ebe ahụ. You see that he survive or na enwere. Mgbe a na-akpọ ya mgbe French kpọrọ ya French kpọrọ ya petit mort. Petit mort ya obere ọnwụ. Ịghọta? Ịwọchi fụ na oge nwoke na-achọ ịbịa na-ewere nwe ife nchiti ya. I'm looking for yo you see her. Are you gonna stand or not? It won't. I know it. Wait.
So please, in the aspect of...
I'm trying to say something concerning a woman and a man. When that man survives, like he didn't die, coming down from that woman, the moment he sleeps, there's a possibility he will pass away. There's a possibility he comes back. So he's not aware of his surroundings. He's not conscious of anything again. He's gone. But you are awake. You are sure you are alive. But that man is not sure of his life. So he's under pressure. He's a dead man. He doesn't know anything. So, and you ask yourself, why is it that we cannot avoid this thing since this is our fate? The thing is this. It's just like telling a dog to close his mouth. You know it's not possible. The same way a man cannot stay away from that thing, even though he knows he can die. I don't know if you're getting it.
Yeah, I'm getting
so it's a must that a man will do it. That's why they say that men are polygamous in nature. Not like they are meant to be producing children.
But
just that he needs to be mating, chopping. If you watch in the animal kingdom, a lion, the male one doesn't go hunting. He sleeps all day. The woman will go hunting, bring down the spoils, and then get the game. Well, so once that lion wakes up, Obine Ogata the woman, not a spoil, didn't find a lot of bone. That in need the apple. Okay, now what? Any the corn apple. On apple, in a den, mobile no pro. The man got out. And once your gun was wall, okay, for that. So some women, but as I said, if I met now, what can I make? In a woman will get on your roof. The woman was equipped in a way, no waking or 1 year at all. Or may move with the at all. But I walk I know without.
Yes.
So on a cause problem now. Some women ask, if I jam
because one
because of it,
rubbing it on the women's face. Yes.
No,
yes.
Yeah.
See, wait, let me use something. It happened last week. Oh, this week. I've entered Sunday already. Let me say last week. And I did video about it.
Okay.
The lady, Russia, she's fat. I will not lie about that.
She's a fat woman.
Yes. All the fat. Dia bia borozie lady. Go shazie aqua. Mapuzi. Noye ban Zako. They are coming and they are going to a wedding. And Mabia with Onyen Kim. What did he mean by that? I thought Onyen Kim is like wife. Abi?
Okay.
But his wife is at home.
Yeah,
why didn't he carry his wife? Which shows that Ashinin and the place is going. Those people brought their wives. Some of them will bring their wives. That I saw your husband. No one girl water. You know that.
We are not secretary. I'm the secretary. I'm your PA.
Okay, it can be your PA. But if you see a woman talking to a guy, You don't know what she's asking the guy. You don't want to even care. You already conclude that is her boyfriend.
Because so where you are now, where you get
Okay, she cannot ask for a direction.
Which kind?
She cannot market her business.
Which business? The singlet and boxers.
She cannot market her business. Or you know.
I was a business. Alaka. Up over boxers. That singlet. Yeah, business.
Just like a man.
Direction.
Ana body na bed. He will go and see his ex.
The ex?
Yes.
Or the man?
The man.
He will go and see his... When he come at the ex, challenge.
Okay, he will go and see his ex. Manam Bosunke, why you made mistake? Coincidentally, full ex yana supermarket or anywhere. Problem at the go.
If you need the man, we are ring or flash earlier the guy.
The guy knows that you are married.
Hey, flash earlier, I guess you can.
Why won't you flash it onto your girlfriend and your ex?
Mba, the difference is too much. That game when you go down and yakita, the yojo. I don't want somebody or got poor heart out. Or fool can work it for feel near opportunity. Based on our logo,
like I said before.
Working and advice. Well,
like I said before. Okay, working and advice. The corner was your papa working.
Mba, oh, because I want your man and work at the marriage. You're not on any direction. Which kind of direction can
like I said before, if people are the leader, I know so no. But that doesn't dispute the fact that you're married and still be doing. Leave the men, let them be doing. But please focus on your children. Ejina kojo makiye nwoke mere. The reason kojo when you feed don't move. It's very bad. Nobody wants to carry, especially the ones that say, if you are pregnant, I wanna work as good. You go okay never to bring her. You go through that thing. Yeah, and I seen on 9 months, it's like that 10 months, 40 weeks. You go through that thing, enter labor for over many hours. The baby will come out. You still go through the pain. It will measure maka ofiye, maybe say what you want to enjoy in future. It's not fair. They say that whether in Psalm 91 verse 16, the sins of the fathers are bestowed on the children. Upon the children. Careful. You came to the world, you don't know what is happening. But it's the sins of your parents that you're suffering.
But it's we our parents in the one. Why I enjoy the benefit? Also,
just like you said. For instance, I can build a castle, pull one pole out of it. Will the house stay or not?
Of a pole.
Or as you're sitting down, let me pull out this chair and one leg.
Man, come on, full balance.
But definitely to collapse.
My mother, you careful.
There's nothing like that.
Be careful.
Okay, will you sit on 3 legs, sleep on it?
I can't see man is comfortable. Man,
no matter what, stop dragging it. It will collapse. So no, it's because of one thing and spoil. Just half bad can spoil 100% good.
When I move for the seven working and based on what do work be idiot. They are not taste why mom. Eluna bana ya one way. Why ya boy boy. Or sick ya tachalu nilo. Ya ba na water na. Also na another thing. For them working get sit up.
Yeah, it's true.
You take for them working get sit up. You are busy na anya steady.
But
na okana agbagharị. Ọ bụ anyị je kpọbata nwa mmadụ. Ịkpọbata nwa mmadụ ije ebe eme chọkọ. Mana ịpụọ n'ilo.
Besides that, it's not good.
Can I drop you?
It's not still. So far say you are off the hook. You have no 0.011% or 0.00%.
So you might not follow more about pro because of Ivedin and Gary. You have for how many years? Check any the
worst part we say, that moment you do it,
which one?
You just end immediately.
mgbe o nwere ndị bụ na fa chetakwa ụtọ ya ọ bịakwara na eluzi ọ na-akọrọ onye a na-asị ya nna n'ihe nwoke a ntali anya na omere ya ntaja ị na-akọ na-ekiri ịkọwa kọcha ọsịrị ọmụmatụ asịsị nke m na-anwakwa ọ na-eme m ya onye mara na nke ya bụ ego
ụmụ nwaanyị na-akọkwa nke
onwere two women bịalụ China mana ụmụ nwaanyị na-aba jee taa ofu onye nya jee na họtelụ the guy fa abụọ talụ the guy the same time.
And the worst part of it, ọkwa the guy bi egwakwa gị.
Mba bụrụ m nwa ka
ọgwa mmadụ.
Onye agwa m.
You see am, women, anyị nwa na-eme onwe anyị.
No,
the news now go come dey spread. Oruzie na ntị dị gị, wetin you go come tell am? Nge ka ya agwa ya. Nge ka ya agwa ya.
Nwaanyị ahụ
o wee bụrụzie kịta that if you fuck up, if you misbehave, ụmụ nwoke, if na some of them are jobless, useless, ha shi lụọ edobe camera ofu ebe blunt their face, post nke gị, or using it to be blackmailing you because you want to keep your prestige and your family, your children. But if you na ha to anasị nekwa video mma gị pụtakwa, you not be spending money.
Mana eziokwu.
Why?
Ihe a na-emekwa bụ imechu ụmụazị iru.
Why?
Hey. Mana ụmụ nwoke a na-abụ fabụrụ nwaanyị jeje gbaa kamera, kedu ihe iji kamera eme?
Who want to work now?
Iji kamera nke bụ nwaanyị na onwe gị ihe ebu ụzọ makwa the consequences agba kamera. Ụfọdụ a na-ejezo the kamera ezo, ị ga-ebu ụzọ na-enecha ọfụma je gbasa ọkpa echi ya blackmail bụ gị weta ego. Ndị ndebe nna ya ewejebe ọnụ before this one apụta, before nwoke ọbụla ga-atakwago nne ọfụma ka ịma ma nwe ebe kamera dị.
Kama ịgbanyekwa ọkụ.
Ma ọ bụ ịgbanyụ ọ dị ọkụ.
Everywhere to be blackout.
Gbanyụ ọkụ. Agaghị ama onye bụ onye. Ọ sị na ya agbanyụ ọkụ eju na kamera dị ya. So mana ụmụ nwaanyị abịalụ China kịta taa. Ana m afịa because na nke ọzọ di ya eji agbago na well.
And so mgbe ị nụrụ ya, didn't you know his age is high? Or his age is higher than yours?
Nwere ike ọ bụrụ nọ ịma na o nwere ebe bụ anụ arụ chọrọ ebe ife dị na mgbe ụfọdụ anụ arụ na-achọ ana mmụọ mgbe ụfọdụ ejezi dị weak esi ka eje mee anụ arụ dị manụ chọọ ka ya mee mana anụ emego chọọ ya eme ya because na ike adịghị ya ọ mago na ya anwụ n'elu dị woman. So this woman dị ọkwa ezi ya mami na wata first na disadvantage of an old man ije know a younger girl because after some years
she wants that pleasure.
Actually, because now all the go developed now mana gị nwa adịgo weak ọ na-enye nsogbu. O nwere oge that woman ga-ediru anya ọ nọrọ ebe a na-akọ akụkọ etu esi eme onye akọ nke onye maka oge ụmụ nwaanyị gadala ụmụ asịrị ya ka a na-akọ nwere ezigbo ya ihe a na-akọ so oluo n'obi ya ọ na-agụ ya ka ọ mee so any little chance o nwere ọ ga-eme ya the same way younger girl ga-eji na-efeel na-deprive ya life ya na ọ n'ụdị n'oge o mesizi ịgba n'ile a na-agụ ya so very little thing ga-eme between ya na di ọgbapụ feel o nwere ibe deprive ya ịghọtago. Then some men n'onwe ha knowing fully well yes they deprive onye a some things ịghọtago as a result of early marriage. So this girl will never have that time again to go back to her previous life. Now you will not open up a space a bit for the girl ka ọ na-efeel ukwe ya ka bụ a younger girl. Ụmụ eji from this stage maba obi akwa ịbụa jebe meeting ụmụ nwaanyị na-ebugharị nkata tọ na-ezu nwa na-ekugharị nwa everywhere ịghọtago. So the girl ga na-azụ ọ na-ekata onwe o nwere ike full school mate ya ọ na-adị aka eshit ịghọtago. Now the only consolation oge enwekwa before a na-edina n'elu bed you don dey snore ọ metụ gị aka ezi ya n'ike gwụ that girl definitely ga-achọ way ya. She might not want to leave the marriage but ọ ga-achọ ebe ọ ga na-enwekarị satisfaction. So mgbe ụfọdụ ụmụ nwoke na-contribute na ụmụ nwaanyị ịda eme ya in that aspect because any marriage ọbụla a na-enwero ife dịka active sex that marriage na nwoke led mabụ na ọta definitely the marriage go okay, no matter how good the man is. As long as he not draw good in bed, that marriage is no problem. No woman, no one be ready to submit to such a man, especially when she's still young. Forget about for how long?
For how long? It's
How many
not
years?
that. It's not, but if he wants to do that kind of thing, Ichetakwa. Of now all costume man, we know they run too much, right? If you want to do some things, let your children be the ones that will call you back.
How?
Because if
Okay,
you do
should
that
take
thing finish, your hand is already stained. You do the same hand with serum again. By the time you are supposed to eat the fruit of your labor, unu jeze meet no more when na afuzi sorry ụmụ nwanyị nke a na-asị na nwa m abatago ifukwu ihe o bube n'aka o bukwe moto o gotere m obi akwa but your own due to what the nonsense had iji wee sibere ya nri from your hand oti aka some I'm kind of saying some oti aka he will try all his possible best. All is possible best for him to thrive, but no way. Then you, on your own, you sit on it. Sit on the truth. You don't want to talk. Because there are some things that you will do. Once you speak,
you have problem.
You have problem, but it will break. Like the calls will break. Just like Untesi Wekeshie Madu. Onya Untesi Kwa, Untesi go say na Nollywood. Onya Sanon, Itanwa Bowa. Okay? I'm not waiting there.
Okay.
So just like if you tell your son, oh, see this, see that, there are some things where you fisher see here. Due to he has been eating food from you. If you do one or two things, he will get himself back.
So
you that shamelessly did that. I'm doing it out of some. You that shamelessly did that. You have to be shameful enough to expose your truth. To expose everything. Sacrifice that for your children.
Some people would rather go to their grave. The fact that now some men that open up, they can show up some of these girls one and that kid belongs to their father. I'm telling you. If you've been working at Edin and where you've not seen it, but you've heard.
I've heard though.
The community show for the man now like now where I didn't want I'm more than the cable.
Okay, let me say something about that. Number one, in my own opinion, for your father to be attracted to you, the man is useless on his own. But two, it might be the way you dress because he felt like his family.
You are your father.
Pants.
He's your father.
Not all that kind of thing. It's your father. His blood not flowing in his body.
No, a father.
It is left from the mother to tell you this is your dad. Where they not say you should not wear bomb shorts, but do not wear pants and pass in front of your father. You wear bra. What are you trying to improve? As no yen what I mean no call you punilo. If I start stealing at home, if I go outside, I'll be complete hamburger. Without looking back. Charity begins at home.
Let's see.
Then you that have been doing that, your father body has been standing. He now comes to you. For you to have that kind of thing, have that kind of mindset and be wearing clothes like that in front of your father, pants and bra in front of your father. Obviously, you will feel relaxed.
Some know that thing. Your father defied God some years ago. Do you know I was talking to
the man
a girl? I was talking to a girl like a few days ago. This girl when I asked him that now, Obona Nigeria with a system, no guarantee, na put forward. Confess, I feel Nigga wanted justice. Now many also about 90% girls they are bragging that their father molested them or their uncles. You got to go all one a rich man no way. Man can I ma me fa ma ma go dey fa one. Now they defile all my na me approach them and I get threatening so your go on a police station kije they will use their money and silence you there. Am I mean what? So girls they vulnerable. Some of these men if will only tell their children when started when we had 10 years self. You got to go so at some point the girl are they used to that. And I'm make sure if papa na love kale ụfọdụ ụmụ ya o nwere omume ọ na-emesokarị adị ya ma ịmago nene ọfụma something nwere ike ịdị wrong ụbọchị a ga-eme ọsị gị na ya ṅụchalụ mmanya ọmaghị emere ya nke wee mee gịnị mee ituwe threat na nwa ya mechie ọnụ ya gwụkwara ma ọ mee ya so some of them they would rather go to their grave with their secret than to reveal it because no reveal onye nke ya agwụna a ga-strip ya of every honor onwe so many men are into their grave with too many secrets.
Because our world now is already exposed. Like you said, Hamushamai, Biko, and my own. If people drink finish, they have hotel. Rather you sleep in the restaurant or the bar, then you going home defiling your own flesh and blood. You might not have bomb.
You might have bomb now,
hey.
Oh my God!
Hey, long magic here back over fin. Yeah?
Oh, I did not have love each. Yeah, ancestors.
It's true, ancestral curse.
Oh, we're some idiot ancestors. And then but there were many muguna.
And some mothers, some of it nesikwana kind you. Some of it nesina kind. Due to you felt like he's your husband. You you wanna have bad intention to your daughter. You self anya ine erukwa na mo self na-ekwu anya akobekwa m n'enu but it's not the aspect of if one kind of thing you felt reluctant just like the woman I emere video ya the stepdaddy and the son under duvet the woman dey bute camera fuzing but I say hey look at father and son blending together. You did not check the video very well. Funa, your son and your husband are adjusting their trousers. Oh, last now. Kadia check about the video. Now come and arrest the both of them.
The stepfather.
Nako, son, the son, cause son one.
I know how they actually over. I know how they actually.
Toto, you are too carried away about things. Kanya in a rukubo mazian.
Ademba.
Even though Nina Kunwa did the boom, if your husband is shouting, be happier. Can me read this statement we so there oh yen watam renilo koyeje me as yen watam enimu no koye menilo mbia na si yes so na atashinga to kata kata osi aha na for her start na utre na oh yeah oh zuku ya shima
na keleka mokeka nwoke
out of all the women on the low it is not your lineage huh? Why? What did they not say? Blood is thicker than water.
I will be in there.
Is it not water is thicker than blood?
Make I tell you. Do you know that somebody impregnated his mother? Yes, that his mother.
His stepmother.
His direct mom. His direct mom. Otobali ime omwa nwa ya tona. You got to go. Nwa ya tona. So many things may go. So many things now for women to be mindful of their children, especially the female ones, or but the mother sometimes some mothers egotemuro confidence over the bond that draw much will keep their daughters to open up and tell them anytime they are molested. Am I in the water? Like when we go on a shrink. Enough na nwa nwere something na bother. You wait about time, join you will get joy sig nothing. Joy sig nothing. You wait for ya. Am I in the water? But always something. Oh, will you call bona? Your sister onye ọ kpọrọ anti ya maid ya nya maid gị na-enekọdi ya anya ma ọ na-enọrịa na-emolest ya anti ya nwere ike na-emolest ya or even a lady itinyekwa n'ụlọ like otu a single mother nwere ike kwụ ụgwọ flat tinyezie a lady na one room ya na family nke ya na-eyuzu nke ya that lady nwere ike na-emolest ụmụ ibeti mama and ewepụtaba time jụọ ụmụ gị ajụjụ ka ị mara ụmụ onwe na-emetụta aka or something like that. So nwere ike for the fact that bonding ahụ adịrọ much they will not want to open up. Mana ọ bụrụ na bond with your daughters na ịmago fabụrụ their best friend ọ ga-adị fa easy esi gị nakwa ihe mee mgbe ị na-anọrị amami na wata so many mothers kwesị work towards that side win the love of their daughter win their confidence so that they will be able to open up to them even oge a na-etere n'ofa.
But a woman, there are some children, even though say the mothers try, I know that I said kind and even though the mothers try all that possible best, there are some children right from childhood who could have if you try to beat the pikin, Google ya, give am ice cream, give am sweet, shake ya, the pikin no want anything, no go tell you anything. The child will lock up. You say on your own will be like, hey, I'm a mobi one. You sure say it's not from this husband's side, or it's not from your father's side, or it's not from your mother's side. No matter what you do, the pikin will lock up.
A na-alọk but ana chọka ịghọta that na most times that baby cannot trust the mom.
If I see that my mom is very aggressive, that I know that yes, she cautioned me many things. Let her disgrace me, but that person that did that thing should not go free. Because I know that my mom is aggressive. With that anger, it's caponia. With our police people that are not even trustworthy, you have to go down here is beat the person very, very well. Just like a video that I see, a woman came to carry a child. Tina Muto, 4 years. I see, what is this? I see, Mama, please talk to me. The girl near best for her. So with that crown, the girl is saying something, but nobody is saying what she's saying. Me has to be calm down. I come and we. Because she said that before she tell the child to come and we. No be a babagi yours. Come and we. She said more balawo. Ma miri sikota. Na akwanwe. But in primary school, I thought they banned it. No male child and male teacher to be in primary school. Obun also so full male teacher in that school. Oh, we ekute. Yes, no bange.
The male teacher.
The worst part is the principal of the school was supporting the male teacher, saying
why did you get you so there?
Yeah,
on a school come.
Yeah, na school.
Come at the thing.
She said she was gonna carry a child from school. Put the child in this thing. Moto.
It's for 4 years.
4 years. Almost a young one. And the woman was like still listening to what the teacher the principal is saying. You're a woman, I'm a woman. Something happened to a child like that. And I say, okay, be talking, let me be here. Or not be said nothing get work first. Even though you cannot bite.
How are you sure not to work?
What are you telling me? How many men is in that school? She said he's the only guy in the school.
I bet possibly a better economy.
But when they do the girl, when they make video and they do the girl, the eye of the girl is going through the guy. Her eye direction is going to the guy.
Okay.
There are some children that don't want to talk because some 4 years had but use their eyes also and understand. The principal who saying that it's not from our school because the principal is a useless woman, be shameless woman. Now saying it's not from our school, then this and that. No, or you from one or something happened like that. Oh, wig. Don't go there wig and listen. kikukubaya n'isi ka o weke mma ya ọ na-ekwu.
Anarị ya wig ya nwa chọrọ ikwu. Ọ ga-eji anarị ya wig ọ chọrọ ikwu.
Dọpụgo bịa wig ahụ ka ọ mara ihe azin kikubaya n'isi ka ọ ma ihe ọ na-ekwu. Ka ị na-asị obere nwa. Jesus.
Now, if you
it's like politicians and presidents. People bring rule. Onye ọbụla defied under 18. They should castrate the man.
Ụfọdụ under 18 agụghị agwala mmadụ.
They should castrate.
Yes, now. O nwere nchọ ka ngwa ya bada woman bịara ịkpọrọ onwe ya. If you chọpụta ife a, o pay close attention. And then mana some women time for school run first send their maid, right? Or I send there somebody because of all of an arm. And you have a chance. Now, upon no news of your peak in one. Okay, but the woman I'm at.
Yeah.
Now, okay, Obia, if I be a man, or because as a mother, I know they pay attention to me. Naka Ojue chop, getting will possibly men go feel this kind of pain. But is it anxious? Upon a woman who she had somewhere else. Now draw fit to be a mother. Nke na-eme ụmụ ya abandon jewalụ onwe ndị na-akwụ neighbor ụgwọ jewalụ na night ka neighbor dekodere ụmụ ya anya.
Night.
Yes. No, ọ ya ejebezila ahụ na hotel with nwoke. O nwere nke mere na side anyị some years back ọ dịka 2020 ka ife ame a lady na-achọ ije ịfụ ya nwoke nice kpuchie ụzọ ụmụazị nọ n'ụlọ o mesisi ya n'abalị ahụ ọ dịka ọka ndụ ọmụnya leziri ụnụ gbara ụlọ ọkụ ụlọ niile agba ọkụ nke ụmụazị ya ị ga-anụ the news there.
Yeah, it's like I heard something like that.
Yes. So the thing na was it Okija 1?
Yeah, it's
yes.
True.
Ebe anwa ka o mee nwaanyị ahụ onye ọbụla maara ya na a promiscuous woman. So such a woman a ga-epe nwe attention ka ọ mara oge ụmụ ya nwebe problem. Ịghọtago? Even na ọ bụrụ na datin nasị nwa abụ nọ nwa na-ekwugodo okwu o nwere ike na-agụ ya ma ọ mee ya ma ma ọ mee ya ekwetara nwaanyị a ga-eji wee na-eme onye accuse, especially ọ bụrụ na nwoke na-emebe ọfụma na street nwaanyị a na-enwetebe favor n'aka ya. So many men the fucking mean na ha na-achụ nwaanyị ọbụla ha bataba na bie ụmụ nwaanyị dị vulnerable. Ụmụ nwaanyị ọbụla ọ bataba na bie o nwetego license na-abata ụmụazị nọ n'ụlọ a ga-afụ ya as uncle. Ịghọtago? Before you know it ọ gwaba ha okwu dị aṅa from igwusala onye ahụ egwu go ebia sweet go ebia ife dị aṅa. Ọ bụrụ na ege bago secondary school o nwere ike kwarịa uniform goria sandal na-eche jigasịrị ahụ ụmụ peti tins a ka ọ na-adị iche. Ịghọtago? na-asọ ọbụ ya data the girl abịabịa nso mgbe ụfọdụ dị ya ozi o jechọ hapụrụ ya change amami na ghọta o megidezi ife a one day ọ taa the girl.
Because you got in a cookie ta like what age can you be?
Kenko.
As in you're a girl, yeah, as in
a girl of 13 years, 13, 14.
Okay.
He confused her the very easy. He confused one 13 years, 14 years the very easy. Oh, very easy.
It depends on choice as well.
Okay, I want to call the Kelebe Mamuano. Yes,
that's what I said. It depends on
choice. Why are you busy? Now, I
want to see how it goes. And you change. You'll be like, Mommy, Uncle Ben gave me this change. You ready to let your mommy know? Your mommy will be like, brother, when you come, let's go and tell him, thank you. Your mommy appearance being in the picture, I kwezi ka that man. Obuno muyongu nobi. I kwezi abe.
Baka. Oga ga woke dey extra mean. Nke a mamu ya tiri. Ewe bara ogbanne na nwa. Ya la so why? Ika bro bibia. Your mommy o woli ke ka bia na ogbakara je dika 5,000 yen nke wine mamu ya. See I will support you on them and I wear the no wabo from me.
Okay, before it will side dependent. There were children which I shall make more after.
That's what happened.
Their uncle was like, yeah, but uncle, you're a hego. They said, Uncle, thank you very much. We don't need your money. Our parents' money are enough for us. Even me, I was shocked. Which I will not lie, any mega man. I will, no, to be honest, I will collect. I was looking at these children. They should be like 10, 12, 14. I said, eh? My sister, Mama, come and see in wheel. I just in there. I heard what they said. The uncle go. At the shop, I said, no, it's just normal what we do for children in Christmas and New Year. I said, uncle, no, thank you very much. We appreciate. No, their mommy is a divorcee now. She's with the children.
Okay. Well, those children, how can maintain this thing?
No, they are not on a village. In
fact,
which in the West, not that's on a village. We can maybe also.
See. I have another.
That's on a village.
Society, I got to go with this. Almost I are the
It's a lie. That's on a village. We can maybe also.
Okay, can say maybe.
My Batasha from Lagos were like, my uncle children will not come back on time. My mom will be like, hey, Mama Maka, where are your children? Keep them again. I said, Apple Mazana, Mobuna had the garasha. Hanata. By 7 in the evening.
Back.
See what your mother is saying. 7 in the evening. Which na ben nam 6:30 or bearda make a footstep out. They no born you way.
Mana onye chole tan before 6:30 atajugo. Go there come here. Okay, so that. Okay, nata no 2 o'clock. Atachalo. Oh, we can atacha say wa. It is French where
Lagos, Asaba,
Lagos,
and East.
Lagos the worst.
Majority of ndị mụrụ no, as ndị mụrụ nwa n'ụlọ bụ ndị East.
Because na fejire ga-eji eme abortion. And ifele na-eme papa
mụ na mmadụ anọgo. Ibu mgbe anyị kwụcha ụgwọ isi mee travel.
Emudi abortion ya na Lagos.
The girl mepere ọnụ. Oh, feel my nene. The girl open mouth said.
Oh yeah, mụ nwazo na na-egbu na Lagos.
No, wait. The girl mepere ọnụ. I was like, hey, this girl, not the go queen man. She's the only child. Yeah, Jay, Guam, the parents. And 2 years with me. The girl could get better. Why would she cry? I got abortion, we're going 200 naira. I was like, oh, kilo, so what do you say? She says 200 naira. Why would she have to tell her parents? I want your laugh here, she for, but I don't know. Ah, I can't know, say, Lagos children. Now mom we in the village.
We 300 and we kill Lagos over 1,000. And Lagos no want to pay the money. Even maybe I run a village.
Okay, it's very cheap. It's very cheap.
But the money had to run there.
It's you okay, you spoil for Lagos. But me when they spoil for Lagos, I not spoil for Lagos.
You want spoil for an Igbo now.
No be you
choose your own spoil.
No be you cause
okay, choose your own spoil. Me I prepare to spoil Lagos. I go enter my village, go spoil. Which lesson I want to teach? What did I want to tell my children so that we are spoiled for my village? Which kind of story? No, another spoil in Lagos. Innocent. What are you telling me? That devil is a liar.
But in that village, Ndibu, ije kwa kana bronya sika. Mana mu go kwa nwa no. But in Lagos, yes, go here say she dey do runs. They follow man or this for that. Which people have make it as a stigma that only nwa no is a red flag. Even
in Lagos, they go born for Lagos and Brooklyn Bonatia village. We are there with Antina village. What did they tell me?
If you born, you train.
No, draw na Lagos. And Bonatia mama na village. Bonatia mama na village. On there what has upkeep. You take go on na Lagos, you no go know. And Lagos, yes sir. Every before a virgin. Na Lagos before a virgin dey 14 years Oscar.
Village one.
Village here want one virgin 20 years.
Na lie, when the village come for na 19 years akpoba gala.
Wale we dey there. Oh, mad na.
Lagos kama. Onye na akpwala ye half cut. Yiri singlet, yiri top, yiri sweater and
then 7 years bro.
Village come from one boy. We say, come on, you can wear singlet. Also, I take my go to Kenya.
So you know, I'm the village.
The pencil was there showing. I was like, eh?
Alba Jugana.
My auntie was like saying, EFS could be neje. Mama Oganya Kiyama you.
No, Alba Jugana.
Since that time.
On the village can the Lagos is when Makara, I don't want even the Apaka wine while I only develop. Why in develop? About because
okay, in village and they will carry a Greek ever. Na village.
Mba, na Lagos came one Greek. Village bo okay.
Lagos. 10 years up Ghana.
Eh? Na Lagos 6 years, 7 years up Ghana.
Hey, ONOWU IGBO.
Na me tell you now. Oh wait.
Some of the same Lagos where they train me.
Wait. Echoka join the name.
Oh yeah, ask.
Biko. Na Lagos State. Na ani Igbo. Kedebe and ụmụnwaanyị na-develop ọsịsọ ọ dị possible na a ga-afụ nwa dị 7 years kpugolala na Lagos biko ndị nọ na TikTok ana m ajụ unu ndị nọ na YouTube ana m ajụ unu ifunugo nwa dị 7 years kpụrụala na Lagos ka ga-esi arụ ọbụ ya ndị Igbo because mụ amaala ọfụma na nni a na-eri na Igbo na nni a na-eri na Lagos abụrụ na Lagos nni a na-eri bụ nni na-eme ka ndị mmadụ na-ebu ibu ya kpatara na efu onye si Lagos bata.
No be the same food I chop for Lagos.
No, your own be say naturally, yes, you.
Okay, my sister that has body go. How would you don't get
it? It's not a must. It's not a must.
7 years is still primary school.
Yes, now 7 years cannot go to primary 2. Okay, wait, Chalo. Okay, now go primary 2. Eh? I was in the Monafan na class over Ghana. Okay, no primary 3. Oh, when the Monafan na class over Ghana.
Na village.
Yes.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. Not na village, be here and there.
Chalo. Okay, no na Lagos. Eh? Okay, no na Lagos. Secondary school level. I'm some girls. Bona, even na street, they go do much some years younger than more. Fat Buchanala. I tell you, never enough. I will there, be the fall down one and tell you that they go.
Now, village children come up, come they do that.
No, village, man. You can you have to wheel. We can have it if one moon. Yeah, call up with you, you're gonna walk out where they're now. But it's like I have
this village. This village.
Maybe now your village. You know if you try for my village.
Where you from come?
My village now.
No, what's the name of your village?
The name is my village.
Then my own is where?
Your village.
Akati Hoi. Hey, Jesus.
Yeah, your village. You can't compare your village to my village.
What I know is that Umaza's Zona village came maybe also. They'll use all in the name of Hajiji Gumiri.
What a mechanical mistake.
From there, oh, you see this Gumiri. I know whoa. I know some people swim. I'm not going to go to Ed Bridge. I'm focusing steering up on Obukamuna. You see, all in the name of you, they're from. You see, there are some things that are going under the water.
There's no blue step. How on the Lagos then?
Blue step. How they come out?
Ah.
That's not for a way.
Maybe you not for the Lagos.
Now from. Okay,
Apple go to Lagos.
Bam, now then spoil people with the Lagos. Now what I want to say, now from village they bring them.
Let's whatever. Ndị na Lagos awafa anya mebie fa.
Irony.
Akwa m na-agwa anyị mebie fa dia. Now, na Lagos o nwere ụdị opportunities na Lagos na adịrọ here. Adịrọ na village. Opportunity abụ that na ị nwere ike ịbanye na ya dị mmadụ amaghị onye chọtara dia. Like in the face me and face you, ịma na common ife nwe na Lagos. Ịma bata ma mo antique ebe fa ma onye ebe ịbanye dia ọ bụ na nke nwoke. Kwam ogbu ngwa ka a na-akpọ ọ tachalugo ịmapụtakwa na street jebe unu je nọ mana na village ịma na ụlọ ofu ụlọ ga-adị ebe ofu ụlọ adị ebe ni oge niile ị na-aga ogologo ụzọ ka ije o nwere nke ya abata ma nwa dị bụ ohi etiti ohi
is a lie. Is a lie. If you na-eme ịtụtụ ụdala there is some ụdala in east a na-atọzọ ụtọ. I know one particular ụdala na side Benam. Udala yes. Sometimes I'll be like, Mbachi equal 80 sugar. But due to the nonsense and carry water they are doing under the tree, Udala na tozo to be na maka. The boss was say na charge a choda. ọ na-achazi acha it don't fall.
maka na atachala ebe a.
If you were be 3, they call they do that kind of nonsense for your police. Okay, now mmadụ je na river jee o mechara abortion jebe and jee sacha apụ ahụ ya. Okwa the river is going to give signal to the community na that be defiled. Then what is different from tree?
Tree kwuo okwu ka anyị nwere ọ nọkọta ọjị na ọ ya tozi ụtọ ọwara na agwụ.
Okay, onwego onye driver mgbe afa si ka mma na onwunye na-eme.
Nke mmiri ahụ ewu bụ na agba afa.
I don't know.
So the thing that na
which I'm saying
the other one we call the jealous.
Who's jealous?
Oh no, they agree.
Okay now.
Oh yeah, why the business?
Okay, do you know what? I don't want to use myself for example because a lot of my me only share rookie here.
Okay.
Marry second wife. Bring am home. I'm off the hook. Me, akwasi na nta agba chukwu agadi. Bring am home. You can't come out. She bring another person. Come bed. Tasha, fish on. Last you can't know. Will you be happy or not?
Well,
Jesus Oluwa, what I ask you is a question of yes or no. Will you be happy or not? Yes or no?
Oh
Jesus.
Okay, one give him.
No, you are trying of.
Yes,
no, oh, maka 3 ayo kunzioku. So I'm using mad. Okay, you have bed. Oh, wait, you will grow bed doesn't.
Okay.
So why will you be angry? Not but I'm closing.
Okay, but an abem. Yeah. My boy.
Okay, now the trick kita aye meghari ahụ ma ọ bụ ya eme.
O nwere kwesịrị ime.
The thing ọ bụ normal. Ihe na-ebute ha ebe a bụ maka ụdara. So sisi mba, I don't want to produce anything sweet again. Ka harafi na-abịazi.
Kala nke iwe na-ewepụ ya. Mee maka mkpụrụ mmadụ ole na-abịa agbakiri obi prime body. Modern I'm I like her personally. You can't deprive the entire community. You're not out because of baby.
It's better not to also.
I want to one house. You can produce over only with power.
Every night, I am on the Maji to that. And I take out. Udara don't vest. Now, or season not cheap this year.
I can't let my mom do all that. I don't know that. Only body believe me.
Now you were first of all.
I'm the gods of this land. I'm not happy.
Now you go first of all.
Hey, can't we say here?
Oh man, you see that area, that arena.
Oh, yeah, well, I'm up.
What they give now?
What they give you?
I'm Ibri.
I don't know. These people came under me and died.
So as we're saying, in the aspect of woman successful after divorce, it's because of there are some things they want to achieve, but they buried it under the man's aim. But the man on his own, amazing. I'm the head of the family. You will stay by my law. You must do it. Before you make a decision, ask for your wife. It is your character. Sometimes I rather stay on my own. Yeah. And when they are on their own, they don't stay in that area again. They move to make a living.
No reason. Some men allowed to operate business. Yeah. Some women once find the business. Why you may pay their business? Or maybe or challenge the man.
It's not like
Wait, respect I'm an email like before. All the very common. You watch here, wine with different mindset from okay when it comes to ego. Be careful. Again, name of my email working invite. Bianaba. Going manya and walk areas we are was fair. Now, man, a guy went ego. Before nature could do all young white gen at the best place, Jabanya fees. One of why I know they think that way. Why you don't want to be ego now? Or may work I exclude. some adịba rude even fa ga-achọ ịtọn nwoke ahụ ka ọ bụzie their housemaid na-edizighị ozi because nọ ya na-enweta ego. So some men bịa na-esi etu their wife ga-esi na disrespect fa nọ n'ụlọ. So echi ọ bụrụ that na the man na overshadow ya na ọ chọrọ ka o gosi ihe potential ya, no, potential ya ebe ka i display the lessons. Iyetago ọ dị ka o nwere ife nnata ukwu si na nwunye ya na-enye advice ịmago ma njakịrị ọ na-ama, so na-enye ya advice ya nwe wee na-asị na ebe ka advice debe mpịa, o kwesịrị iburu advice anya mpịa ka mpịa wee kpata ego. Amaghị na nghọta. Ọ jụkwa wee sị the wife na onwe ya na-enye advice na-akọwa na ọ mara ọsị nso ọ bịara n'aka ya ka ibe ji wee chenjibere ya na ya bụ star. Wee na-ajụ mgbe nna gị anyị si bịa wee na star gị adịghị acha n'ebe a ọ bịazie ebe ebi o wee china ba. So now ife na-ebute okwu some women ego bịaba fa n'aka fe disrespect by the man and no man wants to be disrespected. Ife ọzọ ị ga-afụ the man achọ ka ọ nọọla onye. So nke nwaanyị apụzi akịta ọgbapụ obido afịa mami na wata omebezi ife anyị kpọrọ ọfụma with and with.
No. Do you know why I'll say ebe anyị si na ụmụ
mmadụ
kacha
ga-ebunye ya
ụmụ nwaanyị mee
business
business?
ahụ mmadụ ga-enyere aka na the business.
It's because some things ụmụ nwa na-eme. They are like you guys might be having conversation to escalate with little problem. Just like everybody knows that one. The statement in here being like, look at you, I brought out from Dakota. I was never in Dakota before. You saw me somewhere. I was in my father's house. Or definitely I was on my own.
Well, it's that father's house. You know, all if the man name me by Dakota because only guy and the father's house.
So you okay, you think it that way. Then the lady will feel like, okay, it's because I never had money. Got married to you. That is why I'm being treated like this. Okay, now she's divorced. You've seen that.
Yeah. Fancy, it's better to be alone. Like it's to be alone. Like it's better to be divorced than in an abusive one. For choosing your attention to how we can correct whatever and move on with our life. Financial, capo, after an upward. Most of them, have the wine after when I say capapua. If a family under this short period of time, success doesn't come like that. You cannot be successful because chukwu anụrụ ekpere gị na-egbu ewido ma na-egbu edivosi. Chukwu adazi ụdị ekpere chukwu onwere ebe chukwu nọ gazi ụdị ekpere because na result ị na-enweta bụ effort itinye mami na nweta na effort itinye bụ ife ị ga-enweta. So that woman divorce ụdị ya the next thing akpọrọ gị akpọgote ya Lagos. Onye akpọgotere Lagos abụrụ a place ị ga-ajọ gbogote mmadụ squat one mba ịpụta Lagos like that ị ga-ata afụ because onye anyị na-achị mepụta amagodi ga inconvenience ọ sị gị na landlord si na ọsụrụ o nwere ike jee larụ na hotel. That night ọ ga-alarụ na hotel she's likely to run into a man nwere ike ịkwụkwụrụ ụgwọ 2 days. Ya agba m na ghọta kwụọrọ ụgwọ 2 days go ihe nri the man nwere ike ọ tara gị ozugbo ahụ mana emesị ọ ga-asị gị na ya nọ na nga ịchọta ya na room dị ole ị na-afụ ya ezigbo mma ị ga-eje ị nwere ike ị na-abata okwefu ọnwụnwa ọka mma gbaala ọnwụnwa ọsọ. O nwere ike ịbata ebe a ọ bụ ire anya n'elu ife na efu ebe ọ stachiri ego dọla amaghị m na nghọta o nwere ụdị ego ị ga-afụ ị nwere ike isi ọ dọla bụ ya sị gị na dọla a na-agbapụ ụdị mmadụ eji amụ na o nwere ledi kọrọ akụkọ onye ya na ya na-ayị chọrọ ịnụ ya ịghọtago ọ chọrọ ịnụ ya and time efe nke na n'ụka then all of a sudden o meetie this person meetie the man dịkọgoro ya ahịa ka o nwere ihe the man nwere n'aka from there ka ife ha si bido wee megidezi to the point na the man na-agba efizi na-emere ihe niile na-enye ego anya ma ọ mee ya. So the lady ana contemplate is ya nwa ji aka ya si the man onye chọrọ ịnụ ya ya dịrọzi interested anyị jechara kwuo ana the guy adịgolu the guy ime oge o nwetaziri onye nka ka o wee hapụ iluzu onye ọfụ a because of ego na generosity ya, ojeje wepụ afọ ime o bu ebu, wepụ ya ntu ka nwoke a hapụ ịchọpụta. Ọ maazị na nwoke a nụnwa ya na-emeka ife adịrọ stable, na onye asef bụ onye jos si Amerịka natala onwe mana ọ gwara ya the truth. Ọ tacha si na afta ka o jezi mebizie na ọ ya anụzi onye ene emegidego onye nke na-fixizie ka a nụrụ nwaanyị ọzọ. Nke a chọrọzie diga anyị na họteelụ, ọ bụrụ na diga anyị adarigo ịghọtago, so ịnụ elu ozi ya aka a na-eruru ya aka efu ife mebiri life ya because of ego. O nwere nwaanyị ga-afụ abịa bụ nwaanyị nọ na dicey situation, ịmazi condition o ji wee pụta bịa gbogote Lagos disappoint ya ojebe na hotel. So nwe ha na anybody nyere ya any offer, ọ ga-ewere ya ka ọ fụ ebe ọ gbadoro ụkwụ nwa na onwere ụlọ. Onye asị okenye ya ga-akwụrụ gị ụgwọ ọrụ ka ị wee gagharịba na-achọ sọpọtụ ọ ga-ego transport ifilo na onye adị keren. O nwere ike ọ jụọ gị kedu saịdị kezi plan gị nwee nwere choice. O nwere ike ọ na-agwa na ya bi flat somewhere, na ọ bụrụ na ya nwere ike hapụrụ one room ka ị crash ya na one room for 1 month ka o kwulu oge a accept all the offer. Oge ị lahụrụ na room a 2 days, nke ite o nwere ike ọ larụ n'elu na sitting room, na ọ na sitting room ya lahụ ụla, ị mapụta n'ike fụ awkward position nwoke, o nwere ike injinia kwụ ọtọ, ị na-ajụ ka ụdị nwoke dị ya na-adị eneghị anya ọpụta na ịbụrụ nwaanyị a na-efugo ha kozi ebe a dị. Ị ga-achọ ka ịgbaba impression ha yes ya taa ma ya bụrụ na ya ụmụ nwaanyị da iji ihe ha nwee wee nweta ihe ha chọrọ. Ọ dị very very easy and common. So nwaanyị ga-asị ọ bụrụ na ọhịa a ka ọ ga-enye nwoke a maka ya nwee chelta, negodo ụdị ego ọ fụrụ ebe a, negodo ka nwoke a dị gareji onye adọbara moto n'ọnụ, ọ ga-achọ ka ya taa onye a. Most artists ị na-afụ today na-atasị ụmụ nwoke just like that ka fa nweta endorsement. And apart from endorsement, some of these politicians fanaghị na-esi through them na-ebupụ ego dị aṅa na-emegasị ife dị aṅa elu na onye ego na moto amami na ghọta na onye ego na moto iche na ka esi enweta ụdị ego a na Nollywood. Nke bụ nwaanyị ịbatakwazịa ka ime kie a na-agwa gị na ị ga-akwụ the dues bụ na ị ga-eme ife ndị ama from ịla producer laba director laba executive producer ịlabara ịlabago ife aka nke ofu nke nwaanyị lagide wee jeje nụọ di mmadụ. Ọ dị izu nke ya ka ọ na-egheta ya na-ala ebe ahụ ya. So nwaanyị ọbụla efe ụpụta dị successful a ndị mmadụ na-afịa nwaanyị na nwaanyị pụtara na dị successful, ha nche ihe niile abụ onyinye mami wọta na success weta ihe na-edegị na ngada. Ndị nke ọzọ ama ekiri ya na-ene na o nwere ebe ha si nweta support ịda na ụmụnne ha. So ya agụ ya success nwaanyị na nwanne ya weta ego si support onye since ego ọdịna mmadụ eji afe wee gbasa o si ike ịfụ mmadụ eji ego dị agbasa o si ike ịfụ mmadụ eji ego dị agbasa like that na-asị na ọ dị abusive.
Men does that because they felt like they have the money and come married to you. Any small thing imesha sị gị na godobe nna gị ịnagodobe nna gị, it is a red flag. They feel like only age they will bring in another person. Is that not a broken marriage? Is it because there is no child yet? What they are broken marriage?
So opposite that time 1 year nwoke agree go wee bido life ya.
No, it's not immediately.
So ọ bụrụ na ọ bụrụ immediately, not much later.
She'll be like,
if na success ya ma abịa ozugbo.
Something with what she has.
Kedu ka mmadụ si na be di ya gbapụ na onye abụrụ actress, onye abụrụ a model, onwe ihe onye abụrụ na society ama immediately ọ divorce die uru hot 2 months nwetebego endorsement na-esi na country nke aje country.
Have you seen somebody that has tailor shop? From there she became very popular because all my young people.
Immediately up on the bed, no,
I didn't say immediately.
Okay, like normal.
Yeah. Which one we say in divorce was like 2024 ending. You barely became successful. There's something added to it.
Even after 2 years. You remember of ma? Oh, well, if I add there. You must success. Success, I need build, build. I didn't achieve. You get build there to achieve it. You can't achieve it before you build. So, okay, business urban stand, you take 2-3 years. The business cannot thrive in 1 year. He can cover the expenses. So he can cover expenses. And the expenses he get made from the beginning. Now, Kaiwalo shop, for example. You 2 year for 3-bedroom flat. Mother will convert here to office. He get those here to the test. Guy convinced the kind of clients in shop. He get go furnitures. Furniture that place of right? I get one vehicle eji around day-to-day business. You get go generator.
Wetin you call
Nye ka yiri nwata nke.
Kelly answer.
So, if you are ndị a niile to establish that name, advert niile again, ego niile you spend, you don't expect to recover them in 1 year. Am I na water?
Yeah.
Because the ego niile spend, I brought something that worked out from this business. You know me, I invest. You want to go? So investment niile na marketing your image, the product, trying to win customers. At the same time, you know, put staff over. If that in 1 year, you know, now weapon, you are still planting. The second year, you know, try to balance, to stabilize your income and your expenses. Then from the third year, you might go the tricks needed how to succeed in this terrain. And they were competitors. So in order to get them more for the slash your price, you cut profit. You got to go. Can you maintain that standard? Especially in Nigeria, they face some challenges like taxation, electricity, transport, and so on and so forth. So if that no get take you 3, 4, 5 years before I got to say, wow, no one achieved the success. After how many years? After how many years? I get what are the years.
But even though she's successful after 10 years, Akayu, she who know what she do. One day like this.
I got man na onye ataga afụfụ. Onye ataga ọ bụrụ nke gbapụtara taa nna ndị afọ months.
Mmadụ nwere ego
endorsement ya na endorsement na maka ana endorsement na new influence ana endorsement na national figure. Kedu ha na endorsement?
What of me? Look how me she's looking. Okay, the person that snatched her husband, if Unanutwadi, she looked like a shadow of herself.
But
okay, sorry to say this, it's like some of you people are stupid.
How?
Negodo Malishanwa you go do figure. Nice shape. Iweje bru yang. No, it's when your wife is very, very fat.
The guy actually a piece of
you have a side chick that is slim. Not when your wife is slim, you go get side chick that's in Kiyebu, she got 40 years side.
If I know on a way slim. I decide they culture on came where
I thought when you are fed up of something you have, you go for a brand new.
Brand new.
Yeah.
Oh, it was go brand new. Go to Kumba.
Okay, now you've already snatched somebody's husband. If Nano TV.
Okay, God.
It's all mad. The only thing is okay. What are they? My shushi.
Oh, yeah, the 2 years before. But I'm working like you need 2 years.
I'm not told la gafa.
Odogu.
That's why I say she marry someone. If not there, if you need cigar, you actually white overnight.
Where Jim? Oh, you have no choice. You take one even new cool.
What can Maram is your cool? It's fine.
Cake.
But
the guy, man.
He's no, he's fine. It's open and me and no fine man will be single. Say if one they catch me the money, hey, you are fine, I'm okay. Ebi ma akpa mono sie lara.
Okay for this.
All men are engaged. Married men ya bia to sogi. He all ya mepono ya sigi he's married. But they'll be expecting a married woman to say she's married. You have to say it, Sha.
Can I expect to
Yes.
Talk, you may be area.
There's something I want to see. Okay, for me, okay. I the coro. Umi ya haprai. Until I say fix long nails. Hospital now be admitting. Kanya hapura. Yes. A man will walk up to you, Sigi. Ne fine girl, see good afternoon, good evening, sir.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Can't go up the one guy. Negative. Oh, now.
Nwoke ya Sigi. Ya si nwoke n'inu ọ na-adị Sigi. And so, n'ịma nke di gị na-eme. Do you see now where you see ụmụ nwaanyị na-eme kilomiso na-eme ya?
No, if you cook it, I brought a cobido. Even Jesus.
So it's high time that the married women will have to be fixing extra long nails. So in case if the man is far, just straight your hand.
No.
Poke the eye. Or
If I have abuse, do you know you can be prosecuted for that?
Because once he's saying that and he's coming close to you, what is he looking for when he's coming close to you?
No, I'm not being a shift.
So
the shift, flee away from temptation.
Let us learn self-defense.
If I have abuse, sometimes he got the right man. Your action can make it
to you. His hand is moving. Why?
Go in a go.
And so the only ombre. Diano.
You have to be a shift.
Nah.
Yes, Itiembu
no wakita they say na so they do tomorrow night you go see am with the man.
Okay, or if you in a shift. One I be in a shift.
Nigeria no get CCTV camera. You explain that. Nigeria did not have we never even get steady light to come be seen as CCTV camera for streets.
Gadio. How far?
I wanna feel.
You can
Oh, thank you very much. My time is always divided. Let me go and meet.
Okay.
What can I share as a saving?
Thank you very much.
Love you guys.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye. All right, so okay, Jesus Christ Gallo. We meet here a lady. Ebe ọ na-eku mmiri. Nwaanyị ahụ bụ Samaritan. Wee sị ya nyetu ya mmiri. The lady wee sị ya mba. Na ọkwa ma na ndị be fada emekọ. Yetego. Ya wee na-asị ya don't worry, ya nye ya mmiri. Na ọ bụkwa na ụmụ ya na-agwụ ya okwu a. Nwaanyị na-asị ya kedu etu. Sị ya na ọ bụrụ na ụmụ ya na-agwụ ya okwu, na ya nwesef nwee mmiri ọ ga-enye the lady. Mmiri na-enye ndụ na ọṅụ ya na akpịrị amakpụ ya nkụ again. Nke nwaanyị wee jụbịa nke bụkwanụ na ọ ga-enye ya mmiri kekwanụ ojikwe n'ibe eji ya ese mmiri. Jizọs a na-akọrọ ya ihe ọzọ na drive point ya home. So ife a bụ ka ụmụ nwoke dị. Ọ bụrụ isikwara na nwoke na-edi married or give up. O nwere ike fụ ya na elikere ya. That's why eji achọ excuse. Ị ga-eji wee akụpụrụ ya. So ife ọ na-edi ime bụ ọ na-agbakwa mbọ ka ọ maa ma ị ga-atụgharị obi maka ọkwa ọnụ eji wee aka eji mark bad ka ejikwa mark good. Ọnụ ahụ eji wee bless kwa ka eji akọs. So nwaanyị nwere ike sị I'm married please. Ọ bụrụ na ka i shift na prospect ya mana ị nwere ike ipesist o nwere ike ọfọlụ efu na ọnụ bed. Some ladies na-agbalụ ring n'aka even when they are not married. One bụ na ka ọ chụfugodo ụmụ nwoke ka isi jụọ onye oyi but ya na ife na-eme that moment. O nwere ike ya na ọ na-agabiga a lot o decide ya to word of men ọ chọọ ring tinye n'aka mana n'obi ya ọnụbeghị. So nwoke nwere ike persist kwuo na ya nwetarịrị nwa And along the line, they chopped down at the girl and where any man in her life. And you say yes, not purposely, not that range there. You want to go. So a man no more on a child cannot just give up because next year no na the married. You can't just give up. Okay, try. Mana attitude in ya na etu isi wee mee na mgbe izi o nwere ike ọfụ that na the next one nwee ike lead to ezigbote abuse. Ịghọtago o wee n'oge kwali onwe shift o na-akụrụ mana the time i bidoro na-emere ya pekepeke na-enye ya that little space efu na ụmụ nwoke ebe agwọ so some temptations ị ga-agbalị ọsọ n'oge inye ya that space ọ bịa gị nso ị nwere ike oge enwetenwu ife bụ your weakness ọ strike ya ọ chọpụta na ị na-ala ike ego o were ego bịa o nwere nwoke chọrọ ịta nwa ife okwu bụ na ya ga-ewepụtalụ nwa 200,000 na ya ga-ata ya bọsizi ya na ya afro kọtụ akụkọ na ọgbara ya 20,000 ya wee gbaa transport igele na ya nweta alat bọsi ihe gelu chọrọ ịnụba akaụntụ nọmba ya bụ this era ọ na-abịa nweta nwaanyị ka taa nwanne echi ọ bụrụ bedde ya ndị a na-emegide bedde na-eyihe o nweta ges bụ na Jenụwarị a ebe na ha bedde na-atọ enwetakwa m nke ọzọ taa otu ibedde ụfọdụ ga-agwa na bedde ya bụ 4 days ago so na ị ga-emegodiri ya that bedde asị onye mụ ihe ọ na-achọ ị nwere ike eti ka eme dị bedde gbugoro agbụ nke nne gị na-abịa ma ịkwadobara nne gị alele so ọ gbaghị 20,000 gba transport mefe na-analụ ọkpọ gị na fon na-alụkwa ọfụma isi ya na ị na-alụ ọfụma ọsịghị oke nọọsụ ka ọ cheki ya ngwanụ ka emesịa ị na-achọ ka gị na akpatukwuo nkata ọ na-agwa gị na ya bụ a very busy person then the next day mefe iteta ụlọ ọ dịrị na gị meseji ibinite super WhatsApp efu meseji ego ọnya ọ na-adịghị ka onye ọ dịkwa keri ihe ọzọ ị ga-eme ideli ya good morning sir how are you ijetego ọ respond kwa ọ na-enye ụmụ kilikili attention a ọ nakata ọjọọ gị sị gị akaụntụ inyere ụbọchị a eji ozikwu ya ebe gị sendịghalịkwakwa ya again ma gị sendịghalị ya na SMS ka ife ilo na ọya dị important isendị otiri 50,000 ọ gbaa n'ego one 70 so n'ime 200 ahụ ọ budget goro ọ ka nwere 130 change a na-eweta aka na weekend ọjọọ ọ bụla ị ga-amapụtanwu n'ebe 7 ọ chọghị ibutukwu ebe 9 ka uche hapụ ịdị na ọchọrọ ịta edebe ebe 7 ka gịnị ama nọ kalịkwa 1 hour na onwe business to catch na-enwe ya na onye a nwere the time ya ka gịnị anọsịkwa na-achị na ọ gbalụghị another 20 ọ gbaa na 90 ọ ka nwere 110 ọ debe ị na-afụ nwoke a na onye a dịkwa ebe a na you wouldn't want to lose this man at this stage ọ nọkọtazie one day ọ sịghị na enwe surprise ebe abụ ewe pas otu ọgụ ị na-afụ G string na-afụ push up bra fụgasị ụmụ ife dịgasị aṅa ọ kụọ gị ya deelu gị ozi n'ime ya ezi ya gụcha echigodo ọchị within yourself ọzọ bụ omega invite na hotel ị ga-abịa ịmasị na ịma abịa ịbịa na hotel a ọ ya ekwe ka ịbata na room ya ọ na-apụọ na ba nọrọ na ba nwere ike ṅụọ mmanya ogbuolu gị azụ mgbe unu eji anọchi unu eritego 40,000 ọ kwụọ 40 nyekwa gị ebe 30 gị wee gbaa transport 120 plus 30 unu ruru ebe a 150 agaanụ before ọ na-eru 150 a o gotego mmụọ gị o ji akaụntụ nọmba gị gịnị a na-akpazi nkata na-acha atịkọ ọnọkwa na pants down kamera down ọnọkwa na kamera down ego ya fọzi 50,000 change ọgwa ọkpọzi ahụ nga ebi ọzọ ịbịazi ị ga-enwe mind gị na ị na hotel room bifo na-abịa ọgba ego AC ebe niile achị lụọ anwụ amara gị bata ị ga-edinegodo ahụ n'ebe idine side ya nwe edine side ya odozie onwe ya ọfụma onu ya ọchọ kirikiri gold na-abụ wee na ya were fresh agbarizie What is in the room? But I know the caring. You are talking that they are them one. Or tagide with tabatago cha 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 cha. Abakwalo with 20 transport. Usikwe give like 4 days later na the same hotel. Ị ga-abịakwa. Ọ takwakwa gị again. If you get know your boyfriend. So before now spend the 200,000 na ọ tagwo na ọ achieve gị ife ọ chọrọ. Ije n'obi 200,000 bụ nnukwu ego. Nyanwa 200,000 a nwere ike bụrụ ọsọ ahịa ọ gbara agba. Enwere ike onwe moto ole. N'ime moto ahụ ole share ya ebe a bụrụ 700,000. Ọ wepụtara 200,000. Dekwaba 500. Mara na nke a bụ ihe eji chụọ aja gba oringo. Ego bịala onwe ego chukwu ego mmiri ọ na-eru eru. Iyete ọ ka big boy si ata. Ọ taa gị ọchọkwa onye ọzọ. Na-atagwo ko na-eje. Ntagwo. So ọ mụ ihe ọ chọrọ. Nwoke ọbụla apụta anụ. Mpefu gbanala ọnwụnwa. Nwoke na onwe ya bụ ọnwụnwa. Onwe ego niile a nwoke na-achụ ya a na-achụ ego bụ maka nwaanyị ka eji achụ ego. Ewepụ nwaanyị. Ọrọsi ya oyeri. Gịnị ka ọ na-eri ihe nwa? Ọ nwaanyị ka a na-agbara mbọ niile. Ije na klọb ị afụ nwoke ama na-egotenwu kiva na-akpụ ya sentremi sisi dị edoba na tebụl na ebe ọyi ya nwoke nọ. You no go do am. Mana the same person ga na klọb wepụta 200 naira rapa ọ chịrịkwa ya ọ na-awụrụ ya ụmụ achawa na-adakọ ego ihe akọ ya n'afa ya gbarigide ego gbarie 200,000 for ụmụ achawa. Ije na Lagos steeti ges niile na-afụ ụgbọ ego kava na bia pik most of them ebidokwara na-ewu ego a ịbịa afọ kava na-egbu onwe bụ ụfọdụ na-atụ ụtacha 100,000 a night. O nwere nke ọ ya etu dị ga eleje ebe a merio na narịa 1 bundle a na-ewere ebe 1 bundle ụfọdụ 2 bundles. Nwata anata 2 bundles o cherezie amechi o deliver nọmba ụtụtụ ọ bịa na hotel ata ya before jebe ebe ọ na-eje. So ụmụ nwoke ebe ọnwụnwa ka fa bụ. Nwaanyị ọbụla sị na ọ chọrọ ọnwụnwa o wee n'oge gbaba. If you cannot run that moment a ga-ata gị. A ga-ata gị. So ife ụmụ nwaanyị na-adị successful dịka m kọwali oge a before mmadụ ga-adị successful na business after 5 years. Onweghị mkpụrụ ọbụla akụrụ kịta ọmịta ozugbo. Onweghị mkpụrụ ọbụla akụrụ kịta ọmịta ozugbo. Ọ na-eteki time. Ị ga-ama na ego na iji wee na-agba advert na-eme visit giveaway ngwongwo na ngwongwo tutu amata services ị na-ere nna this billboard ọta ka o wibere makwa mgbe anyị ji n'ụba maka billboard today agụ ịba gị ya na society. You can't just wake up and become successful. So every woman no divorce so pụta sị gị na I not successful under this space of time. Happier ka business strategy onwe ọ na-develop kịta strategy ọ na-develop process ị nọrọ na this space ị na-eme business ị ma the challenges dị na this business because eventually ba n'ime ya. Ndị nọgolo anọ ọkụọ na ha aka tie ha aka ha wee ma ka ha si eje ana. Some businesses thrive na Nigeria abụrụ ifefe a gosiri ka enye. So ifukwa na the route fa gbalụ wee make ya their success or dịrọ okay. Ha make it through dubious means or devious means which you wouldn't want to. Ịchọ ya legit pays but ọ na-take time. So ka anyị da-arapụ ụmụ nwaanyị da-afụta ụmụ nwaanyị a ka a na-abụ onye divorce or dị successful. N'iche njili akwa ugbo n'one cannot convince us na ịma ọfụma. We know anyị nwa nọ into business line. Anyị ma what it takes to keep a business running. It takes a lot. Ị ga-anọdụ na that business 24 hours na-enye anya na-aza call na-edefend ife dị na ya na-atụ asị dị na ya. To grow that business ị ga-adị focused na ya. Ị ga-adị focused na that particular business. Wee matabanụ ga-amatabanụ before people ga-ekwube maka gị all because of the services ị na-render. So any customer that will endorse you must have buy from you for the first time, second time, third time. Weigh the product for that no change. Now I can maintain the quality. before she can now recommend you or he can recommend you to anybody to try this company. The company at them off, I've used their paint. Paint found you about 3 years ago, na paint here akadi. Ama me na water na. If time only try go. If how many years on go becoming your client before you were trust to somebody from Westimo Kianyam story can share on my Facebook. Then Kamunia share the money. Nsi anu na ma water nya ka wake ni ofuma. Osim yes no ga nyem story ka me online. Na message the story online. Na ndeze na YouTube Kamunia ka the money. Nsi just like that. I say see okay. Muna get the money because ni water the story. Join a channel nke tell what the story. Hear the whole money yourself. We be ko wali head na YouTube because onye na anọrọ ama water. YouTube nwere ike ego ya kwụ this month. Ọ bụrụ ife ịlụta last month. Ọ bụrụ nke ịlụta this month ka a na-akwụ. Ọ ihe ịlụ last month ka a na-akwụ this month. Because ọ na-esi na this month banye na month a ewekwa gị ụgwọ. Akwụkwara na gị ụgwọ obidokwa count bakwa na that month na that date kwa. Wee je batakwa na date ọzọ a ga-akwụ ụgwọ na so ife ịlụta last month ka a na-akwụ ụgwọ this month. Wee sị so mmesizia the story. Ọ dịzịa a na-elezi ya na YouTube. Then next month mkpọzia gị ka anyị check ya ife that particular video gbata. Ihe nwenwu ndị that next month. Besides, ị na-eme expect na mụ na ga-eke ya 50-50 abi maka ọ gị build channel a. You know how many years it take to build this channel? Ka ị ga-aja ọsụma bata nnọọ weta story gị ozugbo nke gị ahụ elebe eweta ya nye gị. Oge m bịa kọwazi ya wee ka na-aghọta. Mọrọ nọ on the side ọ nọ into the line na-afịa na ya bata ebe a gịnị ka ndị a na-akọ na ya ga-eme nke eme nke mana ya ịbatazia iwee ghọta ife a na-akpọ algorithm wee ghọta ka ife a si alụ ọrụ iwee wepụta time wee study ya malụ na these people ị na-afụ bụ your viewers. Ị ga-enene from Monday to Friday ịmalụ time fa ji abịa much malụ time bụ na trafik adịrọ fụ na nke na-agbago agbago na nke na-ada agbago agbago vidio gbago kata tụdo aka na ana ịma na vidio ada eme ọfụma. O nwere nke bụ na ipost your video at the wrong hour and ị ga-try ka ịmata what your viewers needs. And some of your viewers na-abịa to you get create time to talk to them, listen to their problems. So if you want to become successful in any business, it will take you so many years. And your customer care line be active because those customers need the feedback. Oge fa gosi egezie ntị ka ịmalife na-eme ụfọdụ ga-abịa na complain about a certain product in Elizabeth. Then I use this skincare product. Onye m rashes, onye m stretch mark, onye m nka, nye m nka, onye m burn. If that na this product in na ọdịrị okay, you need to call back to the company. Before the company ga correct that thing, you lose so many customers already. Ewee lụtakwa o wee take another 1 year to convince people na the new product enwere kịta abejesi ọgwụ. Ndị na-agbala ọsọ agbago and ndị a bụ ndị ga-egbu your image ebe eni akpọta afa gị. Nobody cares about the new product. Ife a na-ekwu onene ude a ka onye a techa gba ya ọkụ ọrụ ude a na ude a na-agbabakwa ifu na ife abụrụ ife ị ga-ebi udo ozugbo sell. Business doesn't work that way. Ọ bụrụ ka o si alụ ọrụ afụbeghị m ebe ọrụ like that. So any lady ọbụla pụta sị gị na ọ dị successful because after ka ọ divorce happier, so many things involved. Nke take time wee make ya mmekwete mana nke a pụta ozugbo pịawa. Ọ bụrụ na nwanne ya nyere ya the favor, ọ bụrụ na nne ya nyere ya the favor na ofe nne na kpuola na nwe. So ebe a ka nne wọta ya n'isi njedebe n'abalị ya. Mana ị nwekwa your own opinion. Ọ bụrụ na onwere ife to contribute to this, tinye ya na comment section. We'll visit it again. Thank you for your audience tonight. Thank you for giving us this time. I ga na-ewepụtakwa some kind of topics like this ka anyị wee na-amụta one or two, and I need to hear from you. What are your views over what we discussed tonight? Thank you, and remain blessed. See you guys tomorrow. Good night.